Morning everyone, my name is Srivani. I am 7th standard at KB School. Today I am presenting about sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which makes use to hear. What is the sources of sound? Sound is the disturbance created in the matter, solid, liquid, gases. Now I am explaining about how is sound travels. Sound travels in the form of waves. There are two types: longitudinal waves, transitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves travels form of compression and radial fraction. Transitive waves travels form of crest and trough. Now I am going to explain about sound instruments. Stringing instruments, wind instruments, percussion instruments. String instruments, example, guitar, bass. Wind instruments, example, flute, tenor. Percussion instruments, example, drum, bass drum. This is my today's topic, sound. Thank you.